this video, we're going to take a look at Laravel Pulse and how we can use that in an application. So I'm going to go ahead in here and compose a require this. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and publish the service provider for this. We also need to go ahead and migrate it. And after this has been migrated, we can also go ahead and publish the configuration file and take a look at what that may look like. So if we go in and take a look at pulse.php, we have the domain. We can set here the path to the domain, and also features such as where we have the storage and also the database connection and chunking it, along with a few other things in here such as the Redis driver, middleware, recorders, and so on. So there's a lot of things we can go and take a look at here, but if we just take a look at this video here, /pulse, and you can see we have in here the ability to have the dashboard. We can see application usage, catch, the slow queries in the application, exceptions, slow requests, slow outgoing requests, and slow jobs. Now, if you wanted to take this a step further and you by any chance had filament PHP installed, if we can go ahead and just quickly require that here. So let's go in and just quickly install this. We can add this into our dashboard as well. So if we go ahead and take a look at the plugins page here, in here we have the ability to go ahead and find the Pulse plugin. And now all we would have to do in here is just go ahead and compose or require the Laravel Pulse. Make sure we use the admin panel here, by the way. So if we go back in here, if we just go ahead and require the Pulse plugin here, and then we just go ahead and ensure we publish the provider here. So inside our application structure now, if we take a look at our providers, we just need to make sure we set up the admin panel provider, which we can get sorted in here. We can go ahead and install panels, admin panel, and if we then take a look now, we can go ahead in here and say /admin, log into the user account, and then we just need to make sure we essentially set up the dashboard in here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this dashboard page here. And we can create the page folder inside our application here. So we could do this in multiple ways. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this inside app filament pages dashboard. So we just need to go ahead and create a folder in here called filament pages, and then we just create one that's called dashboard.php. Make sure we move this into here. And let's go ahead and ensure we also set up in here this inside the admin panel file so that it loads the page and also the plugin. So for pages, we want to go ahead and import dashboard from, in this case, filament pages class. And we also want to go ahead and make sure we have the plugin here installed. So in this case, we can just go ahead and check this out. But first, let's go ahead and make sure we set the page up correctly. So in here, we just need to make sure we are importing this page in here that we have set up here. So we need to go ahead and add in a namespace. And there we go. Now we have Pulse set up inside our dashboard page. So that's essentially everything I got to show in here. We can go ahead and also see anything from dispatching jobs, and we have this on our filament dashboard page. Thank you very much for watching this advent calendar video. Please give the whole series a watch if you have time for it, and hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.